It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I am back. I got the witch hat on for this one. You need the witch hat when you are reviewing the creepy Carriage from Bath and Body Works. Oh my gosh, we got to talk about this. I'm actually going to turn it off and then I'm going to turn it back on. So, what a crazy adventure at Bath and Body Works for a lot of these big pieces. You know, this happened last year. It happened the year before. Last year, it was that tree, kind of looked like a Wizard of Oz kind of tree that was really hard to get. This year, the hard piece to get is the creepy Carriage, which I gotta say, I really love. So this is part of the Bath & Body Works 2023 Halloween collection. We have not seen it online. If you've seen it online, let me know because I haven't seen it online. I got this one in my store. They're very hard to come by. This is a heavy piece. It is an expensive piece. These are $99, which there's a big debate about, the priciness of a lot of this Bath & Body Works Halloween stuff and, supply and demand. People are buying it. I'm buying it, although I do think it's a little on the pricey side. So check out the Carriage. I'm actually going to light this up. The switch actually is on the back, which is nice. So it's beautiful lit up. Okay, you ready? I am going to light this thing up and we're going to talk about it. I love the green. I gotta say, this is beautiful. There's a matching wallflower plug-in. It's actually pretty big. I don't think I have that on my desk right now. I think it's over there. It's over there. But look at this piece. Okay, so this is actually plastic. This is not metal. It would be nice if it was metal. You're actually going to put the candle on top here. So the candle sits right above here. It is a candle holder. And then you can see there's like a circle on top for the candle to sit. This is heavy though. I mean, this is actually really hurting my wrist to hold. So we've got the, the man and woman skeleton here. There on the front here is, it's kind of like a creepy pumpkin right here. And then on top, there's some, bats, some creepy skulls. And then interestingly, the lights are actually pink. They light up pink, which is kind of fun. And then the back side is the same thing. It's the skulls. So this is identical, the back and front. Now, the sides of the Carriage. On the back is this interesting, kind of creepy pumpkin. This is actually like a headless horseman because there is a wallflower plug that looks just like this. So we got the headless horseman, but look what's on the other side. I think this is almost comical. I love the cat. I gotta say, this is like one of the funniest elements. So there's like a seat up here for, the people that are driving the Carriage. And then there's this adorable black cat peeking out under the seat. I gotta say, that is actually super cute. Oh, thank you. My mom, she got this. Thank you. I needed this. This is the wallflower plug-in part of it. Check it out. It looks almost identical, except it's black instead of silver. But they're very complementary. And this actually says, I light up, when you plug it in, it goes, like on the wall and, it's a light up. I'm going to have to light this up. I will review that, but how cool is that? So we have the wallflower, and then we have the water globe. So when are these going to be available online? I have no idea. My guess is maybe they're going to put them online at some point because it seems to be what happens is stuff arrives later. If you really want this and you haven't gotten it yet, wait it out because it may show up. You can always kind of ask your store, do they have any coming in? I don't know. Let me show you the bottom. So this is what the bottom looks like. You put the batteries in here and then, it's got the wheels on it. But it's a really, I gotta say, it's a nice piece for a Bath & Body Works collectible. You guys know I collect the Halloween, and I don't know. I think it's unusual with the green glitter. It's pretty. So is it worth $99? I would have preferred if it was more in the $79 range, but I know Bath and Body Works is going high end on these. I actually almost was expecting this to be like $120, but thankfully, I'm saying thankfully, isn't that funny? It was $99. I wish it was a lot lower, but anyway, if you happen to get a 20% off coupon, you can find one. It would actually bring it down to the like $79 range. So anyway, I'm just going to hold it up here for a few more minutes. Oh my gosh, my wrist is breaking. This is so heavy. So that you can see from a couple of different angles. I know it's kind of nice to see close up. But yeah, I love the kitty. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of the creepy carriage. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.